Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Thursday morning, we're waking up to partly cloudy skies out there. A lot more sunshine is expected in the forecast today compared to what we saw yesterday. It was pretty gloomy. All right, live look outside. We're seeing calm conditions over Biscayne Bay, but it is expected to be a very breezy day. Now, there is a small craft exercise caution if you're doing any boating down by the Keys, and if you're planning on heading to the beaches today, there is a threat of rip currents. Make sure you're swimming by a lifeguard. Otherwise, with our wind flow moving off the ocean, we saw some fast-moving showers earlier this morning. Now, the only shower we do have on the radar is picking up right over Hialeah in the 826. Otherwise, we are dry. So the heat is on. It's 85 degrees in Miami with an east wind at 12 miles per hour, relative humidity of 70%. It feels like 93 degrees as you walk out the door. In Fort Lauderdale, temperature of 85 degrees, feels like 93. And in the Keys, Key West, 86 degrees with an east-southeast wind at 20 miles per hour. It feels like 95 degrees once you factor in the relative humidity of 70%. It's 84 in Pompano Beach, Oakland Park, and Pembroke Pines, even Kendall and Miccosukee seeing 84 degrees. 83 for you in Hialeah. Let's take a look at what's going on in the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Dawn moving in the Gulf of Mexico. As of the 8 o'clock advisory, wind sustained at 40 miles per hour. It is moving the west-northwest at 10 miles per hour, and it's located 545 miles east-southeast of Corpus Christi, Texas. Now, this system is expected to push towards the west-northwest, and with that forward movement, the National Hurricane Center is keeping this as a tropical storm as it moves over the very warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Should be making landfall sometime on Saturday right over Corpus Christi, and believe it or not, they desperately need the rain, so they are welcoming this rain as we go into the weekend. You can see just north of Brownsville as well. It looks like for now we will see the center of circulation make landfall, and then it will continue to bring some showers into Sunday for them. As of now, there is a tropical storm watch for portions of the Gulf Coast of Texas. As the system gets closer, most likely it will be a tropical storm warning. Now, we are watching 2 other waves, one over Puerto Rico and one over the Lesser Antilles, but no development is expected. For us back home here, we've got dry air in place associated with high pressure that will continue to push all the moisture in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere out of here. So expect a very warm day. If you're doing any boating for lobster mini season, Miami-Dade and Broward will be at a moderate chop. Threat of rip currents at the beaches, small craft exercise caution for you in the Keys. Nearshore waters choppy. Highs today in the lower 90s with more sunshine. Lows will be in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Here's your 7 on 7 forecast. We'll stay hot and humid and mostly dry as we get into the weekend. Have a great day.